Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain sources of vitamin B. The B vitamins are a family of 8 distinct, water-soluble nutrients, each playing a unique yet interconnected role in your body. They are absolutely essential for converting food into energy, supporting nerve function, and maintaining healthy skin and hair. Since your body doesn't store them in large amounts, it's important to consistently include them in your daily diet. Let's explore how to do just that. Many everyday foods are packed with B vitamins. You can find them abundantly in whole grains like oats, barley, and brown rice, which are great for thiamine and niacin. Lean meats, including chicken and beef, along with fish like salmon, are fantastic for vitamin B6 and B12. Don't forget dairy products such as milk and yogurt, which are good sources of riboflavin. Even leafy greens like spinach provide essential folate. Beyond the basics, there are many other delicious ways to get your B vitamins. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are powerhouses for folate and thiamine. Eggs are incredibly versatile, providing biotin, riboflavin, and a good amount of B12. Don't overlook nuts and seeds, which offer a range of B vitamins, including thiamine and B6. For an extra boost, consider fortified cereals or nutritional yeast, especially for B12. To ensure you're getting enough B vitamins, focus on a diverse and balanced diet. Aim to include a wide array of whole grains, lean proteins, dairy, and plenty of fruits and vegetables every day. Opt for whole foods over highly processed ones, as processing can reduce vitamin content. Remember that light cooking methods help retain these water-soluble nutrients. If you have concerns about your intake, speak with a doctor or registered dietitian.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.